Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Thursday, May 2nd, 2013. Here are the highlights. The main hazards expected over the next day or so will be the chance for some thunderstorms along a frontal boundary, which has been pretty much stalled out across lower Michigan, and that will remain in place today. And as long as that frontal boundary remains around through tonight, there will be the chance for some thunderstorms. Severe weather is not expected. You can always see some small hail with some of the stronger storms and possibly some gusty winds, but no major severe weather is anticipated with any thunderstorms that do develop. Here's a look at the current weather map from this morning, and we see a cold/stationary front draped across the upper Great Lakes region, extending back down to the central and southern plains. Still quite a bit of precipitation behind the front across the Midwest and Plain states. Not all of that is falling as rain. There is some freezing rain and some heavy snow within that band as well, getting all the way up into the far western portions of the UP as well. Not a whole lot going on across northern Michigan to start the day today. Later on this afternoon, with that front kind of backing its way a little bit farther into northern lower Michigan, temperatures will warm up again, and if there's enough moisture along that front, there is a risk we could see a thunderstorm develop this afternoon. Maybe a little better chance for some showers and storms tonight across eastern upper and then northwestern half of lower Michigan. And then things will begin to tend to dry out on Friday, and I'll show you why in a minute. Here's the forecast weather map for Friday morning. We see that stationary frontal boundary still kind of in place, although by this point is going to continue to work its way back to the west towards Wisconsin, and as that does, that will wind down any chance of precipitation as we head later into the day on Friday. And here's the forecast weather map by Saturday morning, and we see that frontal boundary now forecast to actually be west of northern Michigan, impacting primarily central upper Michigan and parts of Wisconsin. So it does look like it's going to be warm the next few days in many areas. Just like yesterday, how warm you get will depend on your proximity to this cold front and more likely your proximity to one of the Great Lakes, as temperatures were varying quite widely during the day yesterday with interior areas against the mid-80s, while temperatures near the lake shores were stuck in the 50s, so quite a bit of temperature contrast. But another warm day expected today in many areas of northern lower Michigan. Even east upper Michigan should see temperatures that are fairly seasonable for early May. Here's the precipitation total forecast. This is the 3-day total that runs from today through Sunday morning. And again, we see most of the precipitation farther back across the upper Midwest, tapering off quite a bit as you get into northern Michigan, and actually very little as you get down towards the Saginaw Bay area and the Thumb region, where high pressure off to the east will probably rule the roost over the next couple of days. So again, from a hazardous perspective, main thing we're looking at is the possibility for some thunderstorms later this afternoon and tonight. Again, severe storms are not expected. Maybe some small hail and gusty winds with some of the stronger storms. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thank you for listening in. The next update can be expected around 5 o'clock this afternoon.